People ask me, T-Mike, why do you fool with these old things? Why spend hours busting your knuckles on a motor that was built before I was born? It ain't about the grease, it ain't about the money, and it sure ain't because it's easy. If you think this is just about fixing another outboard, you're missing the point. In this video, I'm going to give you the 3 things that keep me coming back to the shop every single day. Number 1, the resurrection. You see a pile of junk, I see a time machine. Every one of these motors has a story. Maybe it just pushed a grandfather's fishing boat on the bayou in 1958. Maybe it was the first time my father took his son out to catch a brim. When these motors sit in the barn rotting away, that story is dying. There's nothing, I mean nothing, like taking a piece of history, taking it apart, cleaning it, making it look brand new. We aren't mechanics, folks. We're historians. We're taking a piece of history, using our craftsmanship, and bringing it back to life. When I hear that first pop of that motor coming back to life, that's history waking up. Number 2, the battle, man versus machine. Let's face it, these old girls, they'll give you so much trouble, bust your knuckles, make you go to bed at night with a headache. For instance, take this flywheel for instance. It's lying to me. It's telling me it wants to come off with this puller, but it won't come off. But that's the point. In a world where everything is disposable, you break your phone, you go down to the phone shop and get you a new one. This hobby forces you to think, forces you to slow down, be patient, think about what you're doing, and come up with a solution. Patience and think about what you're doing. That's all it takes. And finally, number 3, the connection. You. I started this YouTube channel just to help a few folks. I never expected this. I've had people tell me I've saved their retirement, I've saved their divorce, I've saved them from a loss of a loved one. I never expected it. It's touched my life as much as anything has ever touched my life before. Whether it's my dad helping me in his shop or my son-in-law helping me in my shop, I've made so many friends, there's no way I could put them all in this one video. Suffice it to say, it's been a wonderful thing. Together, we're building a brotherhood. We're building a community. Whether I take a phone call from Ray from Omaha to help him with his motors, or I ship a part to Dave in Ohio. Whether Cliff and Jen come help me with the restore, or I help them with their restores, it's all the part of a big community. We're keeping things going for the future generations, and it's what makes this so special. So if you're sitting on the fence, if you got an old Johnson sitting in the garage, go get it, break it out, wipe off the dust, get it running again, restore it. It might just change your life. It's changed mine.